Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a question that what percent of 24 is 18? Okay, what percent of 24 is 18? So let's start it. It's a very basic mathematical question. Remember, in mathematics the meaning of in mathematics of is equal to multiplication, right? And what means x, right? And remember, the meaning of percent is 1 by 100, and this is, was, were, will. These words are equal to equal. Okay, you can replace these words with equal sign, this equal sign. Okay, so let's start it. What we know that the meaning of what is x. Percent means 1 over, so this is 1 over 100. 1 over 100. The meaning of is multiply 24 is equal to equal sign and write 18. Now simplify it. And also the sign between x and 1 over 100 is multiplication sign. Now solve this for the value of x. 1 by 100, when you shift it to the right, it will become 100 over 1. And this is 24 over 1, so it will become 1 over 24, right? So solve it. 6 3 18, 6 4 24. Now, sorry, 6 4 25. 3 into 25, you will get 1575. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope you like this video. If so, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in next video. Thank you.